We have an experiment tonight we're gonna try. She found an app that lets you find Wi-Fi, and it even shows like their signal strengths. And so we're gonna base our dinner on the strongest Wi-Fi that we can find, because every restaurant it seems like we go to doesn't have Wi-Fi, but McDonald's does. Yesterday. Alhambra today. See what happens today. Very elaborate. So now it looks like this is too much.
Oh, this one right here.
That's good. The week ever here?
Something like that, yeah.
We don't know if we're really
I think it's the same cathedral.
Oh yeah, because the dome. So we got here, and she says, literally, we were like, wait, how do they know it's our tape? 2 minutes later, our orange juice will show up somehow.
Trying to figure out the whole payment situation.
Oh, well, I'm sure they just bring us a sandwich, fries. I know, right?
Just like so.
Oh, right, the toast is separate. Yeah. Butter toast.
What's the stairs?
It's a 22-minute walk. So from there to there, I guess to go all the way down
and around. Lolita's Tours.
Sorry, it's so bright. I wanted to sit in the shade, but
I'm cold and I need the sun.
So we're waiting for our tour to start.
Yeah, it starts
There's
at
a lot of people here.
12:30.
Quite popular, and from our tour guide yesterday said that it takes months to book this tour in advance.
Yes.
So luckily Journee booked it for us months ago, probably.
Yeah.
So we're just waiting for somebody with a
Pink umbrella.
By the sign, the mural.
Or something like Lolitas.
So we'll see what happens. On our tour of, how do you say it again?
Alhambra.
Years.
Wow.
They kept going to France, but there was reconquest, the Christian reconquest.
Okay.
But why?
Oh my God.
Wow. And it finished last Muslim kingdom by the Catholic kings.
1492 was Columbus, yeah.
As you can see, we're talking about the kingdom that they called Al-Andalus and belonged to the community of Andalusia. The Muslims stayed for longer under Al-Andalus Empire. In the smaller kingdoms that were also independent from each other, right?
No.
Because they're not related to the nationalities of the Alhambra, right? Well, this Jaén is a city next to Granada, that in the 13th century was still, and this whole area, okay? But here, right, the first part that we're gonna visit is this part, dangerous. Even more if you were a rich person, because you have concubines that they could take care of. And they could have children one day, and then your stepbrother had another one. 250 years of national domination here. A trick to do because they're bitter. Okay?
Oh.
You have another one. Sorry?
Not all of them are better?
No, not all of them, but most of them. No.
Don't make him fun of. He's either tired.
Glasses, and you can take all the pictures you want, but always.
The water's a lot louder.
The fountains are not working right now, but normally there are.
Holding up that tree.
The sign that I was mentioning, yeah.
Wow.
Imagine where the house.
Okay.
So you can get an idea of how narrow were the streets. Plaster and many other materials.
That's what.
Look at these trees. Woo! Gotta be the most toilets I've ever seen. In that mountain.
Yeah.
We were behind that.
That's where we were.
trees. We have here. Here to get purified. They also came here to just read
The water just goes all the way down.
doors. Every door is there.
It's like,
We have just one floor and there's a room.
oh yeah, there it is. Wow. Here.
Very beautiful view.
It's a Coliseum. Done with our tour?
Here we got one more thing to go see after we take a small.
Ooh, what is that?
That's interesting.
Museum. Pretty cool though. He's up there with Picasso though, so he must be important. Oh, wrong way.
Go straight to the fortress.
Yep.
The entrance is very narrow, so we couldn't go in together at the same time.
Oh, we saw the little overview somewhere.
So
I think it was that one.
to do it.
Into the unknown. Yeah, there's people way up there.
So these are the historic houses.
We're about to fight some wolves.
Have been impressive. And steps here.
Wow. That's very different.
The river Darro is in the 19th century. Were used to decorate, but also to open them.
Oh, I hear a voice.
A little beautiful.
This is where they
It's practically dinner at this point. Pizza will be the late.
I know. I met some other journeyers.
Yes.
They did flamenco last night, which but really cool tour. Very good. So I had an interesting idea. We had one of our scratch-off books to go and find something for our other partner, and so I found two things, and I'm gonna see what Tammy got. But we gave a 30-minute timer to see what we can find for each other. So let's see. Okay, we're back in the room. Whoa, hello.
Hello.
I got socks with olives on them. What'd you get?
And I got a very
I found a kind of
Disney
Disney-ish, misspelled a little bit, but it like
Cinderella is spelled a little bit differently.
I think
but it has all of them.
Aquila.
Yeah, Elsa.
Yeah, anyway, like, it was really cute.
No, Ariel is fine.
Okay.
They're all fine, but Elsa is fine because it's an S.
And then I found, walking by the puzzle store, these in the window, so I thought were really cool.
Yeah,
You
Squid Game.
could- Anyway, that was a fun little thing. She had a harder time than I
I did
did.
have a very much hard time because there was like nothing there, and I was hoping to see like the little like shops not like commercial boutiques, which is kind of what I saw, and so it did make it hard.
We'll try again in Seville, see what we can come up with, but that was fun.
Yeah.